My dear friends, what's up? Hope you're fine now, friends. Today is a very good day, as you know. In this video I will show you the XRP Ripple coin price predictions. What's the change goal in XRP Ripple coin, what's the high price, and what is the current status of XRP Ripple coin in the market. So before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please remember to subscribe my channel. Oh my goodness, today is a very happy day for me. As you can see here, if you are a holder of XRP Ripple coin, so this day is very also happy for you. As you can see here, the changes of XRP Ripple coin, positive 36.38% change goes in XRP Ripple coin, which is very good change occur in the XRP Ripple coin. I like that, friends. And same like that, the high price is $1.47 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin and the last 1 day price prediction. That's the last 1 day. If you look the price chart of the XRP Ripple coin, so continuously change occur in the XRP Ripple coin. As you can see here, continuously jumping upward, moving upward. Now let's see the current condition of the XRP Ripple coin. What's the change goes in the XRP Ripple coin in the last 1 hour, friends. As I told you, the change occur in the XRP Ripple coin. Now this time is a farming. They are farming, but I think now they are goes in neutral at this time. Maybe they goes upward in the future, maybe they falls down in the future. We can't say about the future. And the change occur in the previous last 1 hour is negative 1.64%. A small falls occur in the XRP Ripple coin, but don't worry. As I show you in the start of this video, the whole price in the last 1 day as a positive change, as I show you. And so don't worry about this small falls. That's a temporary falls. After a small jump they recover this kind of falls. So that is the last 1 hour. That is the live current price predictions, and the high price is $1.44. And now currently at this time the price of the XRP Ripple coin as $1.41 is the high price of XRP Ripple coin. The previous hour is the falling hour of the XRP Ripple coin. Don't worry about this falling. So my suggestion for you to please hold your XRP Ripple coin with the last of this month, because now you can see here the last 1 day as a whole jumping period, and that is the last 1 hour price prediction. They are negative. Don't take it serious. This falls, that is temporary falls of the XRP Ripple coin. After that they again take a jump. So don't worry about this falls. And I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to invest in these coin, please do your own research. And what's your opinion about XRP Ripple coin? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of urgent news videos notifications.